A look at some junk I ran across while cleaning. It's a dismal, dismal day out there. Let's go back in the shop and look around. Good afternoon, YouTube, on a rainy Saturday here in Seymour, Indiana. I was going over some of the stuff I found when I was cleaning that black cabinet out, and some of the things kind of interesting to look at. This is one of them right here. Now this I bought, trying to think when I did buy this. It's been a long time. See, some of the rubber feet have gone missing. Anyway, basically what this is allows you to plug in a 3.5 or 2.5 inch hard drive to this. It's a SATA port down there, power and data, and you basically, like I say, you plug it in and then you hook cables to the back. This is the power cable here, and that's this big brick here. Plugs into that and goes to the electric right there. And the other item is the USB, which is here, and that plugs in here and goes to your computer, so that you can basically copy files and do anything you really want to with this. As far as you know, I've used this thing for a lot of different things, and basically that's the power button there, and this is your activity light here. But this thing works great. I mean, it allows you to copy drives, on just all kinds of stuff that you know couldn't do. Now, most of my systems when I was messing with computers a lot had hard drive caddies in them, and that meant that you could basically swap hard drives without taking the backs off, things like that, and just pull them out the front. And I think I showed you that with my server drive. But anyway, that's this is one of the things I ran onto, and I plan to put back into some kind of use, because I think I'm going to be working with that HP DC 7700 or 7800. I still haven't got the bugs worked out on that, but it's coming along, and I will show you that when I get finished with it. Still haven't decided on the monitor swing arm, but I am leaning towards that one at Harbor Freight, so we'll see. Another thing that I found, now this was kind of a predecessor to the hard drive caddies. Before I got the hard drive caddies, I got this, and this is basically a switch, and it allows you to boot from one of 3 hard drives in your computer. It's basically just a, like I said, it's just a switch, but this mounts on the front where the drive would sit, you know, on the front of the computer, and it allows you again to switch. You just press your keys and it switches from 1, 2, or 3, and allows you to boot from that hard drive. So that was kind of an interesting thing. But like I said, I haven't used that for a long time, because after I got the hard drive caddies, and most of your BIOSes now will allow you to do that just by pressing like F9 or what like that, and it allows you to boot from different drives right directly without this. So this is really an older item, but like I said, I did find it and I thought I'd point it out. Now it's impossible to get back in there, but other than that, let's see. So we'll put that back up on the shelf somewhere. That was another item. Now there is I think I might have shown you this before. I don't really remember. But this is the AM stereo transmitter kit I bought from Chris Cuff on. He's on. Well, he was on YouTube, but I haven't seen a video from him. Now he's mostly on Facebook now, I think, but he's still around. So not sure why it won't come apart. I guess, you know, But this is, like I said, it was the board, all the components, all the whole 9 yards of the AM stereo transmitter. Now, I was talking to Bob about this, and I said, well, you know, you could use this as your transmitter also. It did work good, I think, from what the demos I saw. And he said, well, it you know, wasn't stereo, but it transmits, the signal it transmits is picked up by regular AM stereo, AM radios as well. That's as far as I got. So you know, I have a long way to go there, but I did get that, and I had all the. He gave us a complete kit pretty much, and you got instructions and you know, in a PDF I think type file where you can print them out, and there's all the rest of the stuff. But anyway, that's pretty much all of it. But like I say, it was Chris did some demonstrations of this. It works great. It does do AM stereo too, and so like I said, I really needed to. The reason it was taking me so long to do this is because of the it required a lot of jumper wires. I don't know how you can see them there and there and there. There and there. I mean, it takes a lot of extra wire besides what is on the you know, the components you put on. So like I said, it was just taking me a lot of time, and I just got kind of disenamored, or whatever you want to call it. Look, that looks like that's not even in. I don't think it is. Well, anyway, no, it's see, there's one I didn't even solder. So like I say, it's maybe one of these days I'll get back on it and do some more to it, but for now I think I've got too many other irons in the fire, and I want to put that back there, and I'll probably put it in a bigger. Oh, there's your stereo jacks for input. So it's got a lot of stuff. Like I say, it would work out really good, I think. I need a better thing I'm going to put it in, but. One of the other things I found, these things are all things I put away in these envelopes, and just basically, this is a tablet I bought a long time ago, very cheap Chinese tablet, and I didn't really know if I'd ever use it for anything, but I never have really, but I just thought it was something neat at the time, and it's got the charger and everything like that with it, so I may actually get this out and see if it still works. It still has the plastic on it, the screen protector on it. That's pretty good. I must not use this much at all, but I was thinking I could use this for something. There's your model number. You know, it's just, like I say, it's Chinese, but it was kind of neat, and I want to see if it will actually power up or do anything, light up or whatever, once it's plugged in. It'll reach over there, I think, to the plug. Let's see. Naturally, I'd plug it in upside down. There we go. Alright, here's this end. Now, which one goes where? That's the key. One of those is power, and one of them is I think for a card. I think this is a power connector, I think. Looks like it's plugged in there. I don't know if it's doing anything, but it is plugged in. Well, it says DC in, so I'm not sure. Maybe that's not the power then. Maybe that's just the data. I would think it is, though. Let me see if I can get this figured out and I'll come back. Alright, well, I did not find the adapter for it. It's too, this is like the standard size these days, and this is too big. I found one for the my RCA tablet. It's too small, so it's in between that it requires. The data cable is just that, probably is a data cable. It did come with another one, and I didn't realize it, but it was in the bag also. It's just a female USB to connect to it also. So there's that. Like I said, I don't know exactly what size that is, and I don't know what voltage it is, but I'm assuming probably USB type voltage, 5 volts, somewhere around in there. But that's the size I need. Well, not that size, this size here. So it does have a center pin. I can see that in there, so it's one of those types that you know, with the outer connector like this and the center connector like that. But I'll just have to. I was just now looking for my box of AC adapters. I thought maybe there was one in there that would fit, but I cannot find that now. So I just go from one thing to the other here, you know, on stuff like this. So that's probably why I put this away, because I couldn't find the adapter to it. Well, like I said, it's pretty much brand new. It's you know, got the, like I said, the screen protector still on it. It's a nice little tablet, but it's kind of worthless without a power adapter, I think. So Bob might be able to figure that out. Bob's into tablets, I think. So it's a, I said 7-inch tablet. It probably is 7 inches across there, but I don't think the screen's 7 inches. But like I said, that's it. There's their model number one more time, just for anybody that wants it. Oh, input power, 9 volts right there. Okay, so that's what we need, is a 9-volt adapter. I think I probably got one of those, but I don't know that I have one of the right connectors. And I'm hoping I do, but you know, we'll have to take a look. And the next time I'm into, I run across that box of adapters, then I'll probably check it out. But for right now, I'm going to have to pass on it, I guess. But there's, that's the tablet. Yeah, see, I wrote on there, cables but no power adapter. That tells the story right there, doesn't it? Alright, I'm going to end this here. I wanted to kind of recap some stuff I've been looking at and working with, and I really haven't done much at all, you know, since Thanksgiving. And well, you know, that's just, I got wore out Thanksgiving Day. I did a lot of driving. I think I told you that already, but yesterday I spent pretty much doing nothing, and today I feel a little bit better as far as doing something, but not really wanting to do a lot. So I think I'm going to go ahead and bag this AM transmitter thing back up and put the tablet back in its little holder until I find a 9-volt adapter for it. Probably next I'll work on that computer some more and see if I can get that other one in there and maybe get it going. But one of the reasons I wanted this for is for that reason specifically. I wanted to be able to, if I found something I could use there, and use this with it, with other hard drives and things. So going to try to make that all fit over there on that other shelf if I can. I haven't really populated the black cabinet yet. I mean, I've just got it in there, and I put a couple things in there, and I haven't really, I've still got a pile on the kitchen floor that I have to move in here. And like I said, a lot of that's going to get thrown out, but some of it won't. So anywho, that's that. Just some of the stuff I'm messing with here on this Saturday. And you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. It's 4:09 now in the afternoon. I'm going to have dinner here in a little bit. And you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching, and we will see ya.